Right troops, new episode here. Going to be fitting a couple of lights on the front of this bad boy. Can't see, well actually I can, but it'd be better to be brighter. So I have came across this. I didn't just cut it off of another machine, but that's another story. But yeah, I'm thinking, look, cut this in half, cut a wee bit out of it. I'm going to cut these daft things off. And then it will sort of follow all these nice lines. And you'll never even know it was made by me. Well, you probably will, because I'm welding, so. Cut this up, weld it on. Lights aren't here yet, but they should be at some point, so we need to wait on that. Waiting on Amazon, it's the story of my life. But yeah, we can at least cut this up and do things with that. Right, you'll have to excuse the mess a little. Of me and of the place. I've just finished work, so. I'm a blue collar guy, you know. Where am I cutting this? So I'll just cut these things off first. Beamer's there, so no grinder. Look at that form! Just dropped my grinder.
Oh my god.
Right, so now, look, we are getting somewhere. Hold that up. I definitely need to cut like some out. How much is some though? We'll take some out. Right, so first things first, we need to figure out halfway. So half of 13 is what, people? Correct. 6.5. And then we're going to take 4 inches out. So now we just go 2 inches each of that. And that's it. Simple yet effective. I've lost the thing. Oh, I was wrong. I have it. That's sore. No matter. I'm from the Highlands. Scotland, of course. Right, so buzz, buzz, buzz. Let's get the power out here. Look, this is all happening quick, folks.
Oh, jeez.
We're not messing about. That's what's good about the quad. You don't have to go too crazy with the engineering, you know. I've got a degree, I just don't use it. Nice straight cuts. 4 inches done. Is that enough though? No, it is not. Take 2 on the cut. There we... People, come in. Look at the engineering feat here. I'll do that. Lights will go... I'm kind of blown away, to be honest. The stars have aligned in such a way. Let's get set up. Real time, no cuts. Get the titanium flux 125
Guys.
Plug and play, baby. But this is the old gasless one. No messing about with gas. Right, so got that horrifically welded up. Is it straight? It's in the vicinity. We'll say that. So got that all nice and grinded up. That's gonna sit somewhere around there. I'm still gonna cut it a wee bit, but nah, that is gonna look good. Once I get it all painted up, tarted up, happy days. This is going a little too good, to be honest. Something's gonna happen. Right guys, so it's the next day here, we're back. The dust has settled a little. I was going at full tilt yesterday. So, my original plan was mount this here and sort of lights there and there. These headlights work, so I don't want to take away the power of them, so to speak. So I don't know, I'm kind of half thinking making some form of bracket here and then put them on the handlebars, and then surely you can just like, you can point them. That to me isn't a bad idea, but you don't see it, or maybe I've just not noticed it, so I'm wondering, is there a reason to why that is? So I need to figure it out, slow down a little, catch my breath, and reevaluate this. Right, so here's the setup. Got the old Nightlight Amazon doozy. So here's our battery side. We've got wee relay over here to a switch. I thought about running it in directly into like the full beams, but that seems too complicated. Right up here, wham bam, here's the lights, couple of mounts, and we got a wee bag of bolts and your old classic nuts and washers. I'm gonna get this relay, I'll get that mounted properly in there some way, somehow. shove that all down there because this is going to live here. Right, so I actually might be able to use this. Well, I put that thing back on, but I could go from like there to there. That curve might still work. I can keep that red thing on and then just mount the lights to this bar. And if I don't use this exact piece, I can just find the machine that I cut it off and cut more off. We'll do that. So I got myself a new bit of metal, grounded that wee bit down. Noticed I was shooting sparks at my inflatable kayak for about 10 minutes, so that's going to be a barrel of laughter the next time we go out in that. We'll just keep Cammy out the picture though, as she dances. Finally, after about 400 attempts, I've got this one. There's about a ton of metal in there. I've managed to get this on and not solid, but it's staying there right now. I just don't know if I went a wee bit too high. I don't want the lights in my way, but I guess we'll find out. So let me get this welded up a little bit better and then just start mounting these lights on. Welded on now. I need to tidy it up a little, but it's not too bad. Drilled my holes. Now I'm just going to mount these lights. I've got like a wee bracket here, and then I can kind of adjust it. It's like swivels on the light, like so I can get them up. I think it's going to be it's relatively easy from here on out. So let's just tidy up these wires, make sure everything's waterproof, and yeah, just get her mounted. I need to get this little on and off switch, focus now, on and off switch onto this thing over here. So I just need to drill a hole. I'm gonna go right in the center. There we go. Beautiful. Check it out. And yes, I see it. It's pointing like sideways, but look, these are sides shining ones. So I reckon it might actually give me more of a field of view, or whatever you say. But if it doesn't, I can just rotate this, do a wee bit of modification to that. But I want to see it actually. I'm kind of convinced it's working in my favor here. Oops. Looks a bit stupid, but hey ho. Looks aren't everything, folks. Looking good here. Look, I got all this is all connected up now. I just need to sort of button this up a little bit better. Mount this wee, whatever it's called. What's it called again? Relay, that's the one. Mount the relay, connect the battery, tidy that up, and the big turn on is coming on. And then we just have to wait till it gets dark. It's obviously not going to be very good when that's out. I've got everything all buttoned up here. It's nice and tight. It's not going to be flopping about the place. This all runs over here. I mounted the relay, put a wee screw in there, and I literally just need to wire in the battery now. That is it. We are ready. Let's hope this goes well. Right, go look at the front. Tell me what happened. Go. We ready?
Oof. They're bright. Yeah, they're pretty bright.
Yeah. Right, so now all we need to do is wait till it's nighttime. So that's more like it. Right, so let's get a helmet and get up there. Right, guys, so moment of truth. We are out in the woods. Like, as you can see, there's trees and stuff. I don't know if you can see, but you will in a sec, hopefully. So right, let's try it. So this is what we had. Let's look up. That's
There you go.
the originals. Now let's try the main ones.
No
Yes.
way.
Look, and now we point.
Oh yeah.
Right, so let's do a wee driving. Look at the difference. Right, so keep pointing. Look at that! What a difference! Right, so look. That's what we had before. Now boom! Right, guys, thanks for watching this episode. Me and Cammy are just gonna go a wee blast around the woods, have a wee nighttime ride. Look, we've got the city in the background here. It is a quality wee spot to do some riding. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!